Hey guys, so I wanted to share my matcha latte recipe today. I've been trying to make the switch from coffee to matcha just because matcha has so many benefits and coffee is more staining on my teeth. So this is what I've been doing every morning, or trying to when I do have time. So I just wanted to share with you what works for me and what I like to put. So there's two different types of matcha. There's ceremonial and then there's culinary. Ceremonial matcha is a little bit more traditional. It tastes a little stronger. It's more vibrant in color. And culinary matcha is probably used for smoothies, lattes, cooking, sometimes even skincare, and it's a little bit more dull in color. I prefer my tea to be really strong, so I like the ceremonial grade. Having a cup of matcha tea is equivalent to half a cup of black coffee according to Google. I'm using this Tenzo tea. I bought this on Amazon because it came with a Whisk. Oh, oops. I don't usually measure it out, but just for the purpose of this video, I usually eyeball everything. So this is 1 teaspoon of matcha. You can put it in maybe like 2 tablespoons of hot water. You can either microwave it for 20 seconds or you can put it in boiling water. I just like to microwave it because I don't have time to do all of that in the morning. So this is a matcha whisk. It's made out of bamboo. I previously thought I didn't need it. I tried to use a fork, but latte was really clumpy and disgusting, so this is really amazing. It breaks everything down so that the matcha and the water mix together. So I'm going to mix this until everything is smooth. I know some people like to mix it really vigorously until they get a foam. I prefer my matchas, I prefer my lattes to have no foam. So I have this mixture of the hot water and 1 teaspoon of matcha, and if you like sweetener, you can put in maple syrup, sugar. I prefer honey. I only use honey though on the weekends when I want a treat. So I just put in about a tablespoon of honey. I like to put it into this mixture because this mixed matcha and water is already warm, so it's just gonna melt the honey and everything's going to mix very well. I don't use the whisk to mix the honey in because I think I read somewhere that you should only mix whatever tea and water just to keep it clean and protect the integrity of the whisk. And then I have here a cup of oat milk. I started using oat milk really recently. There's so much hype about it on social media, I guess. I am lactose intolerant, so I'm always really excited to try all the milk alternatives. I used to prefer soy milk in my lattes because it's super creamy, but I don't like drinking soy milk. I know it has that kind of weird aftertaste, but I actually like this one. It's one of my new favorites. It tastes like if rice milk and soy milk had a baby, because it's still super creamy, but you don't have that lingering weird aftertaste that soy milk gives you. It's also really good for overnight oats. It makes really creamy oatmeal. So I already have a cup of ice here, and then this is 1 cup of oat milk that I already measured out. So I'm gonna put that into a glass first. And then I'm gonna take this, the matcha. I forgot to say, the reason that I like to use really little water is so that the latte doesn't get super watery. I'm just going to mix everything together. And there you have it. Iced matcha latte.